Now, let's move to the next question. An organization needs an AI tool to analyze and summarize lengthy customer feedback, text transcripts. The key requirement here is choosing a Google Foundation model with a large context window. Let's go through each option one by one. Option A. Gemini. Gemini is Google's general-purpose foundation model. It is designed to handle very long text inputs, understand context across large documents, perform summarization and analysis. So this option fits the requirement perfectly. Option B. Codegamma. Codegamma is optimized specifically for code generation and code understanding. It is not meant for summarizing long text transcripts, so this option is incorrect. Option C. Imagen. is used for image generation, not text processing, so this option can be eliminated. Option D. Chirp is focused on speech and audio use cases, larger-scale text analysis, so this also does not meet the requirement, so the correct answer is option A. Gemini. Gemini is the best choice when you need large context understanding and text summarization.